There is a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun, and I've been the rain of many a poor boy. I'm good, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She trimmed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man born in New Orleans. Gambler is as sweet as her honey trunk, and the only time that he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. Mother, tell you children now to do what I have done. They spend your life in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. For boys and God, I know I want.